today we're going to be making some keto almond butter. It's a pretty good base for a lot of different recipes that you use on the keto diet. A lot of desserts, a lot of snacks, fat bombs, things like that. Buying the jars of it can get pretty pricey, so hopefully this will save you a few dollars. You can customize this a lot of different ways, little flavorings, cinnamon, cocoa, whatever works for you depending on the recipe you're using. Start off with the ingredients: about 2 cups of almonds, salt, and of course almond butter. You're going to need some butter, so probably about 1/4 of a stick. You're going to have a food processor with the curved blade to dice up your almonds and make your butter. So we're going to start off by roasting our almonds. It takes about 20 minutes in an oven, about 300 degrees. About the 10-minute mark, you want to shake them up a little bit to make sure they don't burn. And that should soften them up, and we'll go from there. And 10 minutes from now, we'll give them a little shake. Okay, so while that's toasting, we're going to go ahead and get our butter ready to go into the food processor when we put the almonds in there. Probably about 1/4 stick of butter would be plenty for 2 cups of almonds. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that in a microwave safe bowl, melt it down, have it ready to go. At the 10-minute mark, kind of stir them up a little bit. You just don't want them to burn and scorch, because that will make your almond butter very funky. Now, in addition to really bringing the flavor out of these almonds, roasting them is going to make them a little bit softer too, so when they go in the food processor they'll blend up a lot easier. We're going to let them cool for a little bit when they come out, but we're not going to let them get too cold. I think that almond butter like this is great. It's really simple to make, saves you a lot of money. The secret to keto success, I firmly believe, is keeping everything very simple. Things that are simple, repetitive, 4 or 5 ingredients, they're the way to go. Make it easy on yourself. Nobody has time to make an hour and a half, 2-hour entree every evening for dinner. Keep things accessible. Fat bombs, snacks, a couple different kinds of meat, eggs, cheese. Have those around and you're going to be successful. Okay, so our almonds are just about done. We're going to pull them out, let them cool for just a couple minutes, and get ready to throw them in the food processor with the butter and salt. Okay, so we've got our butter in. I'm going to let our almonds cool just a little bit more. Okay. So take almonds. I think they've cooled off enough now. We can go ahead and throw them in the food processor. I want to go ahead and get that going. It's going to take several minutes. It might not get as smooth as what you got at the store, but hey, we'll go with it and see how it goes from here. So as you can see, it's starting to stick up on the top of the food processor now. So we'll just take a rubber spatula, push it all back down in there. You can't escape, buddy. You're getting chopped up and made into butter no matter what you do. Okay. Okay. So back at it. So now we're going to throw a little bit of salt in here. Not a lot. Just a little sprinkle or two. So here you go. That's how you make your almond butter.